gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any...
Guys, today we've got something really exciting to unbox. So why is this device so special? For starters, it could be the first smartphone on the market that truly embraces a robot-inspired concept, the Honor Robot Phone. But honestly, I think it represents something much bigger than that. In my opinion, it's one of the most innovative smartphones we've seen in years. From its unique design to its smart features, it feels like Honor is exploring a completely new direction for the future of smartphones. But I'm curious, what do you think? Let's open the box and check it out together. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. The packaging itself has a few thoughtful design touches. Wow, here's the phone. I'll keep it aside for a moment. Underneath, we have the accessory box, which should include the extras. The included case feels premium and even comes with a magnetic flap. There's also a magnetic stand, which looks useful for propping the phone up while recording videos. Next is the charging cable, and Honor has included a 120-watt charger, which is great to see. Now, let's get back to the phone. Some people say the Honor Robot Phone is basically a regular smartphone combined with a DJI Pocket 3. Personally, I don't think that comparison does it justice. A smartphone already packs countless components into an incredibly compact space. Fitting a gimbal-like system inside such limited space is a huge engineering challenge. The complexity of designing and manufacturing something like this is on another level. That's why I really appreciate Honor's effort to push boundaries and try something different. Moving on to the build quality, the phone features a full metal body with high-precision CNC machining. The finish is almost seamless, with the back panel blending smoothly into the frame, giving it a premium and refined look. I'm also impressed with how the camera section has been designed, because it feels very natural in the hand. Even with the metal construction, the weight is well balanced, making it feel just like a typical flagship smartphone. The display measures around 6.31 inches, so it's compact enough for comfortable one-handed use. Even users with smaller hands should have no trouble using it. Photography is one of the biggest selling points of this phone. It comes with a 200-megapixel main camera featuring a 1/1.28-inch sensor, a 200-megapixel telephoto camera with a 1/1.4-inch sensor, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Overall, the camera hardware is extremely well-rounded. The standout feature, though, is the collaboration with Ariel. I already had the chance to experience its camera performance during the imaging event, and I can confidently say the results are seriously impressive. Video recording in particular has a very cinematic look and feel. If you care about mobile photography or videography, this is definitely something worth looking forward to. Another feature I really like is that the workflow doesn't stop after recording. You can shoot, edit, and publish your content directly from the phone itself. Everything happens in one place, making it a true all-in-one content creation device instead of relying on separate gadgets. Then there's Youyou AI, which is another major highlight. Unlike traditional AI assistants that mainly focus on voice conversations, this one feels much more lifelike. It not only answers your questions, but also reacts with facial expressions and physical movements, making interactions much more engaging. For example, when it's happy, the gimbal nods and moves around, and when it's feeling playful, it can even dance. It's a fun experience that gives the phone a unique personality and makes it stand out from anything else on the market. Taking a product like this out in public is definitely going to grab attention. It's unique, practical, and a real conversation starter. Since the phone hasn't officially launched yet, this is all I can share for now. Once I spend more time with it, I'll bring you a complete hands-on experience and a much more detailed review in an upcoming video. Now let's talk about the price. I honestly don't expect a device this innovative to come cheap. What do you think? How much do you expect it to cost, and what's the highest price you'd personally be willing to pay for it? The Honor robot phone will officially launch on August 12th, and I'll be uploading my full, in-depth review on the same day. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!